This place is great. They have pie. So did you like the movie?
No.
What didn't you like about it?
I didn't really like anything about that movie.
Nothing? Thank you for not walking out.
Hey, another movie?
Hey, yup.
Is this one any good?
You know, it depends who you ask. You know, I loved it. But Fran, this is Fran.
Hey.
Hey, I'm Amelia.
She hated it.
Oof.
No, it's fine. It's only my new favorite movie.
Well, better luck next time.
I guess so.
All right, I'll give you a minute.
Actually, what's the pie for tonight?
Oh, Marion berries served hot with fresh whip.
Do you want to share?
And an Irish coffee, please.
Make that two.
All right, you got it. Coming right up.